Welcome to Buyer's Favorites. Black Friday 2024 is here, and Kohl's has unveiled some of the most exciting deals of the year. From kitchen appliances and smart gadgets to cozy home essentials, there's something for everyone. Today, we're diving into the top 15 Kohl's Black Friday deals you don't want to miss. Make sure to check the description for links to all these deals before they're gone. Let's get started. Deal 1. NutriBullet 1200-watt blender combo with single-serve cups. Down to $67 from $159, saving you $92. This blender offers powerful performance for smoothies, sauces, and more. Its single-serve cups are perfect for busy mornings. With multiple speeds and durable blades, it's a must-have kitchen upgrade. Great for healthy lifestyles and creative recipes. Deal 2. Food Network 10PC non-stick ceramic cookware set. Just $55, down from $129, saving you $74. This elegant cookware set offers superior non-stick performance for easy cooking and cleaning. The set includes pots, pans, and lids designed for durability and style. Whether you're simmering soups or flipping pancakes, it delivers great results. A perfect gift for home chefs. Deal 3. JBL Vibe Beam True Wireless Headphones, only $24, down from $49, saving you $25. Enjoy premium sound quality and wireless freedom with these compact earbuds. With 8 hours of playtime, they're perfect for music, calls, or workouts. Lightweight and comfortable, they fit securely for all-day wear, ideal for music lovers on the go. Deal 4. Dash Tilt Head 3.5 Stand Mixer. A steal at $39, down from $79, saving you $40. This compact mixer makes baking easy with multiple speed options. Perfect for whipping cream, kneading dough, or mixing batter. Its tilt head design and sleek finish make it a stylish countertop addition. Great for beginner and expert bakers alike. Deal 5. Ring Indoor Cam 2nd Gen. Available for $29, down from $59, saving you $30. This smart camera offers live view and two-way talk for home monitoring. Compact and easy to set up, it's great for keeping an eye on loved ones or pets. With motion detection and app integration, security is at your fingertips. Perfect for peace of mind. Deal 6. iTouch Air Force Smartwatch. Just $39, down from $95, saving you $56. This stylish smartwatch tracks fitness, sleep, and heart rate. It connects to your smartphone for notifications and control over music and apps. With a long battery life and sleek design, it's both functional and fashionable. A perfect gift for tech-savvy users. Deal 7. Shark Corded Stick Vacuum CS1 and 12. Priced at $99, down from $199, saving you $100. This powerful vacuum is lightweight and versatile, perfect for carpets and hard floors. Its slim design makes it easy to store and maneuver around tight spaces. With strong suction and a detachable handheld option, cleaning is a breeze. A reliable tool for spotless homes. Deal 8. Power XL Vortex Pro 8 Cute Air Fryer. A bargain at $59, down from $149, saving you $90. Cook healthier meals with this versatile air fryer that crisps, bakes, and roasts. Its large capacity is perfect for family meals or entertaining. With user-friendly controls and fast cooking, it saves time in the kitchen. A must-have for modern cooks. Deal 9. Sharper Image Shiatsu Foot Massager with Compression and Heat. $99, down from $249, saving you $150. Relax and rejuvenate with this premium foot massager. It offers deep kneading, soothing heat, and adjustable compression. Perfect for unwinding after long days or intense workouts. A thoughtful gift for anyone needing stress relief. Deal 10. Farberware Classic 900-watt Microwave Oven. Available for $63, down from $119, saving you $56. This compact yet powerful microwave is perfect for fast, convenient cooking. It features multiple settings for defrosting, reheating, and more. With a sleek design, it complements any kitchen, an essential for busy households. Deal 11. Celestron 104 AZ SR Smartphone Ready Reflector Telescope. Priced at $99, down from $199, saving you $100. Explore the night sky with this easy-to-use telescope. The smartphone-ready design lets you capture stunning celestial photos. perfect for beginners and astronomy enthusiasts alike. A wonderful way to inspire curiosity about the universe. Deal 12. Google Pixel Smartwatch. A fantastic deal at $149, down from $279, saving you $130. This sleek smartwatch pairs perfectly with Pixel devices for seamless integration. Track your health, get notifications, and access Google Assistant. Durable and water-resistant, it's designed for active lifestyles. A tech-savvy addition to your daily routine. Deal 13. Sharper Image Power Boost Pro Plus Move Hot and Cold Percussion Massager. Now $79, down from $199, saving you $120. This powerful massager offers both hot and cold therapy with adjustable intensities, perfect for soothing sore muscles and improving recovery time. Compact and portable, it's great for use at home or on the go. A wellness essential. The Amazon Fire 7 Kids 16GB tablet with kid-proof case, only $49, down from $99, saving you $50. This durable tablet is perfect for kids with parental controls and educational apps. The kid-proof case ensures it can withstand drops and bumps. With up to 7 hours of battery life, it's great for learning and entertainment. A thoughtful gift for little learners. Deal 15. iRobot Roomba Vacuum 2 Essential Robotic Vacuum plus Auto Empty Dock, $249, down from $399, saving you $150. Keep your floors spotless with this high-tech robotic vacuum. The Auto Empty Dock makes cleaning even easier by handling debris for you. Perfect for busy households or pet owners. A game changer for modern home cleaning. And that's a wrap on the top 15 Kohl's Black Friday deals for 2024. From smart gadgets to kitchen upgrades, there's something here for everyone. Don't wait too long. These deals are only available while supplies last. Let us know in the comments which deal you're most excited about, and check the description for links to all these products. Thanks for watching Buyer's Favorites. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing deals and shopping tips. See you in the next video, and happy shopping!